Good morning from Thimphu, and our today's plan is to reach Punakha from here, and it's 8:22 in the morning. Right now we are heading towards Thimphu immigration office and also RST office to extend our permit for Punakha and Ha Valley. Actually Phunsheling থেকে যে permit issue হয় that is valid up to Thimphu. The first thing we have to do is জলদি RST office and Bhutan immigration office থেকে permit extension করিয়ে জলদি হোটেলে ব্যাক করতে হবে, then we will leave for Punakha. Thimphu immigration office is just only 4 kilometers from here. Okay.
Not feeling cold?
Okay, so finally we have reached immigration office Thimphu.
Nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost.
Now we are heading towards RST office. They are also coming from Kolkata. So RST office is just only 2 kilometers away from Thimphu immigration office. Road উঠে গেছে কিন্তু ভাই টেম্পারেচার এখনো মাইনাসে, I mean -2, -3.
Search but you stay
Just look.
lost. We're reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are, mysterious. That's the part.
So now we are free to move towards Punakha and Ha Valley. Right now we are going back to our hotel. Our luggage pack korte hobe, then we'll move towards Punakha.
We are dreaming
Okay, so that is our hotel.
Search but you stay lost.
So চলো জলদি প্যাক করে বেরিয়ে পড়া যাক। First we will visit buddhapoint, then we will leave for Punakha. চলো সৈকত। We are heading towards Buddha Point, and Buddha Point is the major tourist attraction in Bhutan. এখান থেকে থিম্পু সিটিটা পুরো সাজানো লাগছে। আমার একটু ব্রিদিং প্রবলেম হচ্ছে বিকজ ইউ ক্যান সি রোদের সাথে সাথে স্নো আছে, আমরা এখন অনেকটা উপরেও আছি, সো ব্রিদিং প্রবলেম হওয়াটা ইটস নর্মাল। চলো Buddha point. I hope you can see that. You can see this is the Buddha point, and you have to climb several stairs to reach the top. I really recommend it to those who are really fit. And we are taking this way to reach the top. And snow. Okay, so that is the Buddha statue. Trust me guys, this place is so huge. Even a whole day is not enough to taste the charm and beauty of the environment here. So Dochula is 16 kilometers from here, and Wangru 68 kilometers.
Got so caught up in.
So let's go. Okay, so this is the first checkpost before Punakha. Excuse me. So Dochula is just 100 meters from here, and guys, snow. This is all snow, man.
Got so caught up in the things I've done. I want to be strong, I want to be strong. I want you to pick me up and take me.
This is Dochula top at 10,500 feet. It's pretty cold over here, and my hands are literally freezing. This Dochula pass is 23 kilometers away from Thimphu, and just 60 kilometers before Punakha town.
got so caught up in the things I've done. I want to be strong, I want to be strong. I want you to pick me up and take me home. I never
কোথায় চলে যাচ্ছ?
want
চলো, কল করবো ঘুরে চলে যাচ্ছি। কখন বেরিয়েছিল এটা?
lover. What's holding you down? I ain't like others. Don't let them hold your ground.
We just had a coffee break and till now আমরা বাড়ি থেকে এখনো পর্যন্ত কভার করেছি, আমরা নয় আমি কভার করেছি 1045 কিলোমিটার। আর সৈকতের একটু কম হবে বিকজ সৈকত সড়ক থেকে এসছে। কত কার কম হবে, 10-15 কিলোমিটার কম হবে। চলো সৈকত। 7.3 kilometers left. Hotel leading up Punakha. Okay. It's feeling done. Excuse me, we have booked our hotel.
Hold your ground. I